Dear student, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about weather report from the lesson Weather and Climate of 7th class science. Let us have some questions where you can think and answer. Why do people living in hot and humid regions wear cotton clothes? In which season is the quantity of moisture in the air high? Are weather conditions cyclic during the years? Yes, we know that in equatorial region it is very hot and in the polar region it is very cold. How can we say a particular place is cold or hot? Yes, you can see the pictures now. The left hand side picture represents the equatorial region and right hand side picture represents the area which is in polar region, which is covered with completely ice. Let us do 9. Observe the weather report, that is temperature and rainfall of the two places in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. The average temperature and average rainfall for the last 25 years of a particular month is given in the table. You can see Ramagundam and Arogyavaram. Ramagundam was located in Telangana and Arogyavaram was located in Andhra Pradesh. And he has given January to the December all the temperatures and rainfalls happen. In which month was the maximum temperature recorded? Why? If the same weather recurs periodically at a place, it is considered as climate of that place. What is climate? The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of that place. Broadly, the same patterns of temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind speed that have been generally continuing for a long time, say the last 25 years, at a place gives the climate of that place. If we find the temperature at a place is generally high for large part of the year, we say that the climate of that place is hot because temperatures are high. When would you say that the climate of a place is rainy or cold? To identify the things, let us do 10. Observe the features of the following states and specific places in India from an atlas. Try to write down something about the climate in these areas. So we have a map, climate zone map. Now, based on the color coding, we can give the climatic conditions for the given state. For the Kerala, it is warm and humid as it is in orange color. Andhra Pradesh, again warm and humid, most of it is covered. Rajasthan, hot and dry, you can see a red mark. Jammu and Kashmir is cold and West Bengal warm and humid. So the Indian Meteorological Department studies climate of our country. Climate describes the weather condition occurring over a relatively longer period of time in a given place. For example, in the month of June, we expect the weather to be dry in Bangalore, humid in Kolkata, hot and dry in parts of Rajasthan, cold in Kashmir and rainy in coastal Kerala. See, same month, June. What does this tell us? For example, does it mean that in coastal Kerala it is always rainy in the month of June, or it would be always humid in Kolkata? The relation between the climate and lifestyle. Climate mostly affects on our daily life. We can change our lifestyles to suit that climate. We wear cotton clothes in the summer. We want to drink cool water also. What do we like to do in winter? So we take care to protect ourselves from the rain. Imagine the precautions you would need to take if you were going to visit Kashmir or Ooty during the winter. Okay, now you can make a note of that. Do you know the people living in area adjust to the conditions of climate? For example, the rainfall has been relatively less for the past 2 decades. Even in Rayalaseema during rainy season, the tanks and canals remain dry. So the dried canals and tanks are now used for other purposes. The less rainfall has also led to developing ways to use less water. The change in rainfall pattern shows there may be shifts in climate over long periods of time. In areas which do not have a climate of rain, when it rains heavily, there is no way to drain out the water. As a result, many years were flooded and submerged in Kurnool in 2010 and also in other parts of Rayalaseema. You can see the lands of the Rayalaseema. Explain these symbols used in weather forecast report. Try it.